Hello students, this is Ankit Kumar and I'm here once again with next video, next part of tense, that is tense part 3, means present perfect tense. As you already know that I have told you in the very first video of tense, the first part of tense, that all perfect tenses always takes third form of the main verb. So all perfect tenses takes third form of the main verb. Similarly, this will also take third form of the main verb. Its helping verb is has or have इसकी helping verb होगी और has जो होगी वो हमारे singular subject के लिए और have जो होगी वो plural subject के लिए use होगी. Alright, so let's start the syntaxes. और जैसा कि हम हमेशा अभी तक करते आए हैं that सबसे पहले हम affirmative, negative, interrogative first and second type, interrogative negative first and second type इसको डील करते हैं. तो इसी तरह से हम सारे syntaxes आज फिर से करेंगे. Alright, so let's start. सबसे पहले हम शुरू करेंगे अफर्मेटिव से. सबसे पहले आएगा सब्जेक्ट, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट, देन मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, देन फुल स्टॉप. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. ही हैज कंप्लीटेड हिज टास्क. ऑलराइट, सो ही इज द सब्जेक्ट, हैज helping verb according to subject, complete is the main verb but completed because we need to use third form of the main verb, and his task is object. No need to add complement, it is not compulsory. So here no complement at all. यहां पर कोई भी complement नहीं है इसलिए complement mention नहीं कर रहे हैं. Do remember one important thing कि बेटा ये एग्जाम्पल है. अभी लास्ट वीडियो में हमारे पास कमेंट्स आए कि we need to take examples. Let me tell you these are the examples. और मैं कर क्या रहा हूं, एग्जाम्पल्स ले रहा हूं. तो ये एग्जाम्पल्स ही, और जस्ट आफ्टर दैट सिंटैक्स आई यूज टू टेक दिस. मैं हमेशा सारे एग्जाम्पल्स सीधे सिंटैक्स के तुरंत बाद लेता हूं और उसको एरो बना करके आपको इंडिविजुअली मार्क भी करता हूं, मेंशन भी करता हूं, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि सिर्फ सिंटैक्स बस हवा में नहीं है. सिंटैक्सेस का यूज हो रहा है और सिंटैक्सेस के बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं. सिंटैक्सेस के बेसिस पर हमारे यहां पर सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म हो रहे हैं. ऑलराइट, तो आपको सिंटैक्स के बेसिस पर कैसे सेंटेंस बनाओगे, जो सिंटैक्सेस आप सीख रहे हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या आप सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर पाएंगे? डेफिनेटली, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन. नेक्स्ट इज नेगेटिव. सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन नॉट, देन मेन वर्ब्स, थर्ड फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट, फुल स्टॉप. एग्जाम्पल, सेम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. He has not completed his task, right? So he is the subject, has helping verb according to subject, then not, the main verbs third form, and then object. Let's take next example, next syntax, that is interrogative first type. Starting with ऑक्सिलरी मीन्स हेल्पिंग वर्ब, हैज और हैव से स्टार्ट होगा ये, प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस मेन वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट, क्वेश्चन मार्क, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्वेश्चन मार्क. एग्जाम्पल, नाउ आस्क क्वेश्चन दैट हैज ही कंप्लीटेड हिज टास्क. Has he completed his task? Helping verb, subject, main verb third form, and then object. Now interrogative second type. So starting with question word, WH question words. Alright. So question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verbs third form plus object plus complement and the question mark. Let's take example. Example लेते हैं. That why has he completed the task? Right? So first question word, then has, subject, main verb third form, and then task is the object. All right. So with this, four syntaxes has been covered, has been complete. These four syntaxes have been covered. That affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative second type, first and second type. Now let's discuss about the interrogative negative. All right. Now we will discuss about interrogative negative. All right. So interrogative negative first type. First we will write the syntax. Start with helping verb, then subject, then not, then main verb. Of course, third form, object, complement, and the most important thing is question mark. All right. Let's take an example. Has he not completed his task? Question mark. Let's see that how that example is related to the syntax. Not, main verb third form, and then object. Now interrogative negative second type. All right. Starting with question word QW, then helping verb, then subject, then not, then main verb third form, then object, then complement, and the question mark. All right. So let's take an example for this too. That why has he not completed his task? And the question mark. All right. So why, then has, he, not, main verb third form, and the object. All right. So with this, all 6 syntaxes of present perfect tense has been completed. All syntaxes, okay, have been completed. And now revise it at your end and tell me if you face any problem, any question, any query, any doubt, anything you are having in your mind. Share with us. All right, share with us, and definitely stay tuned with us. All right. So do like, subscribe, and share this video as well as channel also. And we will continue with the next part. The very next part you will get very soon. Present perfect continuous tense. And there I will tell you the quick trick to differentiate between since and for. So stay tuned with us. Okay. Do like, subscribe, and comment whatever you feel like. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.